Hey everybody, Don Dabney, owner of Left Coast Classics, and this is just a really cool 1963 Chevrolet Corvette C2. And in this video, I'm going to take you around the car, I'm going to take you under the car, but I'm also going to take you for a ride in it. Gauge-wise is working fantastic. You know, the wipers work, the heater works, the horn works. It's a nice functional car. Just a really nice basic C2. So there it is. Hey, if you're over on a third-party site, make sure you head over to my website at leftcoastclassics.com right here. There's so much more content on my website. It's much better to go over there because you'll get a lot more information. And there's a lot more ahead on this video, so definitely stick around for it. I'm going to take you under it and all kinds of stuff. So check all that out. If you want to get in touch with me, the best way is just to get a hold of me directly on this, my cell phone. Here's the number right here. You can call me, text me anytime. And let's see, what else? 3 episodes of, did I say 3 episodes of my absolute favorite car show. God, I hope I get to do a 4th someday. Wheeler Dealers on Motor Trend. We did a 57 Ford Thunderbird here back in the Ed China days. We did a, what was that at? It was in 2018. Oh, it was a 70 Lancia Fulvia. And they did a really cool one-owner TR4 at the end of 2020 that aired on Motor Trend. So check all those out. Get in touch anytime. And my God, we're like somewhere around 9.5 million views on my YouTube channel, which is nutty. So now I'm kind of like, wow, if you could like and subscribe, I'd be super stoked. I'm just, you know, I may not be driving around in a car you're going to buy, but I am driving around in cool cars all the time, either here in Sonoma in the wine country or at my other place down in Orange County near Newport Beach. So that's kind of fun. We take cruises all over the place in cool cars. Anyway, check it all out. Get in touch anytime, and thanks for checking out this cool California C2. All right, heading underneath the 63. It looks pretty good under here. Everything seems to be in order. Might note the spare tire is inside of the spare tire cage. Pretty dry under here. Looks good. Yeah, overall nice shape. Yeah, so normally I take you around the lower part of these older cars with a magnet, but that's not going to do us any good on a Corvette, being it's fiberglass, but at least see how it looks down here. It looks good. A little dot there, that's just dirt. It's in nice shape. Back to the quarters. Nice and tidy so far. Got it out of detail. Must have driven through a puddle or something. But yeah, overall looks good. A couple paint touch-up spots here and there. More dirt that the detail guys didn't get out. But yeah, overall looks good. Let's take a look at the front balance. Yeah, it's dirty. I got to thank my mechanic. He was doing something with the headlight door, which now works perfectly. Overall looks great.